The camera fades in from black. A soft electric hum fills the air as a metallic silver silhouette slowly comes into focus. The BYD YangWang U9 Xtreme stands motionless under cold white lights, its sculpted body reflecting precision and power. Its headlights flicker alive like eyes awakening before battle. This is not just another hypercar, it's the next step in the evolution of electric speed. Engineers circle around it, checking sensors, tightening bolts, running final diagnostics. Every movement feels like a ritual before something historic. The voice of the narrator begins, calm but filled with tension. The BYD YangWang U9 Xtreme, an all-electric masterpiece pushing over 1,300 horsepower from 4 independent motors. Every wheel has its own mind, every millisecond perfectly calculated through the E-platform. It's not just built for acceleration, it's built to defy limits. In the upcoming third test, BYD plans to challenge the impossible, the 500 km/h barrier. The camera glides past the car's surface as blue streaks of wind flow across its body in slow motion, visualizing aerodynamic perfection. The narrator continues, 500 km/h isn't just about raw power. It's about stability, heat, and control. At that speed, even the smallest lift could send the car airborne. So every vent, every curve, and every detail has been reshaped for precision. We see flashbacks of the first and second test. The U9 thunders down the runway, hitting 300, then 420 km/h before aborting. This time, it returns stronger, new suspension geometry, reinforced carbon structure, and tires designed to handle unimaginable centrifugal forces. The battery cooling system glows like molten veins running through the car's heart. Data streams across monitors as engineers monitor every heartbeat of this machine. The test track appears in the distance, an endless strip of asphalt disappearing into the horizon. The air is still. The sun rises. The driver steps in, helmet glinting under the light. The cockpit comes alive with pulsing lights and futuristic displays. The narrator whispers, "Everything is ready. The world is watching." The tires grip. Silence breaks. The car launches. Numbers climb. 100, 200, 300, 400. The camera shakes with the rush of air as the car blurs across the landscape. It's not just speed, it's art. The U9 cuts through the wind like a blade through time. The sound grows sharper, higher, faster. 480. 490. The world slows as the voice says softly, "This is more than a race against numbers, it's a race against history itself." Then, sudden calm. The car slows, steam rising from its rear, the driver's gloved hands trembling. Engineers rush forward, eyes wide with disbelief. The narrator concludes with quiet power, "The BYD YangWang U9 Xtreme isn't just an electric hypercar, it's a message. A statement that China is no longer chasing the world's best. It's creating them." The camera pans one last time over the glowing BYD emblem as the wind howls softly in the background. Fade to black. Metallic text appears, "Gearless Garage." The tagline fades in with an electric pulse, "Where the future runs itself."